Today's top 15 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. OpenAI debuts ChatGPT Work agent and new GPT-5-6 models. OpenAI debuted ChatGPT Work, a task completion agent that integrates Codex to execute multi-step tasks across devices using scheduling. The agent is powered by OpenAI's GPT-5-6 models, including Sol, Terra, and Luna, which achieve state-of-the-art results in coding, knowledge work, cybersecurity, and science.
GitHub updates actions/checkout to block common PWN request attack patterns. GitHub updates its actions/checkout action to block common PWN request attack patterns by default, effective June 18, 2026. The change specifically blocks pull requests from forks with insecure inputs and requires explicit opt-out via the Allow Unsafe PAR checkout flag for workflow authors.
Federal judge allows search of ChatGPT records in crypto fraud case. A federal judge has approved a search warrant to examine records of interactions between ChatGPT and a suspect in a cryptocurrency fraud case, marking a potential landmark in the use of AI-generated data as evidence in criminal investigations. OpenAI's ChatGPT Atlas browser is shutting down. OpenAI is shutting down its ChatGPT Atlas browser, which was launched last October and aimed to enable users to interact with their web browser through chat. The service will be deprecated on August 9. Sam Altman shares the most reliable way to tell that ChatGPT 5.6 is now the best model in the world. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman claims ChatGPT 5.6 is the best model in the world, citing benchmarks and Elon Musk's renewed interest in him following Apple's lawsuit accusing OpenAI of stealing trade secrets. Publishers accuse OpenAI of withholding evidence in copyright lawsuits. 17 publishers, including the New York Times and the Chicago Tribune, accuse OpenAI of withholding evidence in ongoing copyright lawsuits, alleging the company used scraped copyrighted works to train ChatGPT. The motion seeks legal sanctions against OpenAI for obstruction, which could result in financial penalties. OpenAI just can't beat this TikToker. OpenAI's GPT-Live one voice model struggled to answer a simple question posed by TikToker at Huskastaken, incorrectly stating that the letter E appears 2 times in the number 17. Despite its touted advancements in natural human-AI interaction and live translation capabilities.
Spatiotemporal diffusion of the 2024 Oropouche outbreak in Cuba. Oropouche virus, OROV, has spread beyond the Amazon region in Brazil, prompting a Pan-American Health Organization alert. In Cuba, local transmission was confirmed on May 27, 2024, with 506 reported cases across 99 municipalities by August 28. Air-permeable hydrogels through viscoelastic phase separation of aerogels. Scientists have developed air-permeable hydrogels through viscoelastic phase separation of aerogels, involving 2 stages: preparing a stable suspension of aerogel particles and inducing viscoelastic phase separation, VPS, to fill with hydrogels. What is osmoregulation in aquatic freshwater animals? Aquatic freshwater animals maintain a stable internal salt and water balance through osmoregulation, a process that prevents excessive water influx and minimizes salt loss in their hypotonic environment. This specialized adaptation is crucial for maintaining cellular integrity and preventing death from swelling and vital ion loss. SDAPMCP 0.2.1. The SDAPMCP 0.2.1 release requires JavaScript to function properly, which is currently disabled in the user's browser, preventing the site from loading due to a required part being unavailable. AI can read your legacy systems. Modernization is still the hard part. IBM's AI coding assistant, Bob, exemplifies a growing trend in enterprise modernization, where AI tools help understand and assess legacy systems by reading code, identifying deprecated APIs, and surfacing technical debt. However, while AI provides valuable visibility, it is only the first step towards modernization, as the real challenge lies in addressing the complex, deeply ingrained issues that often require significant process changes and institutional knowledge updates. detecting LLM-generated texts with classical machine learning. Researchers have developed a traditional machine learning model that can accurately detect LLM-generated texts with around 85% accuracy, suggesting that mainstream AI plagiarism checkers may use similar techniques. The model is available on GitHub and has been tested to distinguish between human-written and AI-generated content. SDAP-MCP 0.3.0. The SDAP-MCP 0.3.0 software has been released, but users are unable to access it due to JavaScript being disabled in their browser. Bifunctional nanocatalyst designed for polyolefin hydrocracking. Researchers have designed a bifunctional nanocatalyst for polyolefin hydrocracking, achieving enhanced catalytic performance through the control of intimacy between platinum clusters and zeolite acid sites. This breakthrough could lead to more efficient upcycling of plastic waste into high-value products.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.